Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to learn from chapter number 10 in science, light and sound and force. Here in some pictures, number 1, cross the one of the that does not give us light. Here in some things, in some object that give us light or does not give us light. Here the sun. Sun is a big source of light and chair does not give us light and candle give us light. When we go in a dark room, there we put candle and the candle give us light. Number 2, take the case in which the least sound is produced. Herein some sounds, the drum make a loud sound and a coin does not make a loud sound. A child also crying in a loud sign. So the least sound is the coin sound. Take the one that we require the maximum force in order to be moved from one place to another place. Here in some things that move quickly in one place another place, and some things heavy that not move in one place to another place. The almirah is a heavy things, book is not heavy, so this is move one place to another place, and chair is heavy things, it is not move quickly one place to another place. Turn your page, student. First we learn about the light. Student, as we now see many things around us, we see many things with the help of light. Sun is the main source of light and heat. Light. We need light to see the objects around us. Sun is the main source of light on the earth. We also get the light from other objects like bulb. Here in some pictures of the light, like bulb, torch, lantern, oil lamp, candle, table lamp, etc. So let's begin. Have you ever tired walking in a dark room? Are you able to see around easily in such a room with no light? Is it better if there is some lights in the room? We cannot see things clearly in dark. We are able to see things only when there is light around us. The sun is the main source of light on the earth. We also use some man-made things for getting light, such as candle, bulbs, torch and lamps. These objects produce of their own, and they are called luminous objects. The object produce light of their own is called luminous object. Objects such as a book, table, tree and stone, which do not produce light of their own. They do not give us light. It's called non-luminous object. They become visible only when light. Here in some objects, the first is the luminous object, torch, candle, bulb and table lamp. And some is non-luminous object. Non-luminous, they does not give us, that is called luminous object. The first book and tree and a stone. Student, do you know the moon does not have a light of its own? It is a non-luminous object. It shines when the sun fall on it.